Now let's talk about the human body here as far as circulation. Now, you have this leg here. I'm going to take and draw from the bottom to the top. Okay, so you have your foot down here. Okay, and then you have a knee, kneecap type thing, right? And then you have the calf muscle. It comes down to a foot. I'm not going to take and try for Artist of the Year here. So we all wish that we could have like muscular defined legs, but that's not the point of this. And then we have our hip. Okay? And then obviously the other leg. The other knee. Calf muscle. The picture actually concentrates on the swelling, because this is important, how each part of the body has its own little swell to it. Now, if I take this and I rub it back and forth on the sides of the leg, you're going to get stimulation and blood flow. So you have your slow moving blood that's kind of meandering in, right? And it meanders back. However, when you run the stimulation over it, you excite the blood flow and you increase the flow to the legs. This can help a multitude of things. You can come along and help your heart to be stronger. Blood flow increase has been found to stop blood clotting. Constriction obviously does blood clotting prevention as well. And so you got the artery, right? And you're adding not only pressure but increased flow. And so you're helping everything in here. Doesn't matter your age. I gave a sample to a person about 80 years old, 83 I think her age was, and she's been using it ever since. And she's lowered her heart rate, which was high, her blood pressure was high, and she's had better use of her legs and better mobility overall. Now, that's just the travel pack. This is all about blood stimulation. I'm going to take and show you a bunch of pictures of it being used in chairs, and then I'm going to show you some other theses about how I've used it over the last 10 years.